Pop Pop's bees. Nice sunny day, kind of cool. Too cool to get in and work the hives because everybody's pretty much at home. Got it, girls cleaning up our cappings from our last honey extraction. Cleaning up the frames so we put them in the freezer. Boy, I'm telling you what, they're going to town. This afternoon there'll be nice clean wax there. I put it in my solar wax melter. Then we turn around and make candles out of it. They're really going to town in there. And that stuff will be so clean when they get done, it's amazing. One come landed on my hand. She had something on it. I saw something running around on her. She's trying to get everything cleaned off so she can fly. She just needed a place to rest. She's not interested in stinging me or nothing. She just looking somewhere to clean off so she can get back and get clean. That's pretty cool to watch. See them legs come up, clean everything off. I don't know how clear that's coming in, but boy, she's really going to. She's done. Got one doing the same thing on my neck. It kind of tickles a little bit. Yeah, I'm out here without any gear on again. I'm never going to learn. I'm just a little bit hard-headed. But I mean, they're not aggressive. They're just all cleaning up and getting them a little bit deep. Pop Pop's Bees, Funny Bug Bees and Woodworks. Please like and subscribe. Y'all have a good day.